Good morning, children, and may the peace of the Lord be with you. I really hope that you've had a really good week so far and that you've been keeping well and your family are keeping well and safe. Have you been doing some singing? I hope you have been. Well, today it's another singing assembly and we've got the help of Tom Daggett, who's going to be leading us with the singing and the playing of the piano. All right? But before we do our very first song, are you ready for a warm-up? I hope that you are. Our first warm-up is going to be a call and response warm-up. So I'm going to say something and I want you to repeat it back to me and do the actions. So I need you to get off the sofa. Come on, up you get. Stand up nice and tall. Okay, ready? Hello to you. Move your shoulders, 1, 2. Now stamp your feet and clap on the beat. Hands raised up high. Wiggle fingers to the sky. Give a smile, give a grin. Turn around and spin. Well done, everyone. Our singing's begun. Right, let's do that again. This time I want you all to get involved, all right? Not just Miss Bahi doing it by herself. Hello to you. Move your shoulders, 1, 2. Now stamp your feet and clap on the beat. Hands raised up high, wiggle fingers to the sky. Give a smile, give a grin, and turn around and spin. Well done, everyone. Our singing's begun. Brilliant, fantastic. Sit up nice and tall, ready for our first song. Our first song is a song that I know so many of you in St John's, and I'm sure in St Paul's you know it very well too. It is Here I Am to Worship. Over to you, Tom.
Light of the world, you stepped down into darkness. Open my eyes, let me see beauty that made this heart adore you. Hope of a life spent with you. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. I wonder if during the chorus you can invent some actions, maybe for worship. Bow down, my God, you're lovely, worthy, wonderful. Why don't you show us what you come up with on Twitter? King of all days, oh so highly exalted, glorious in heaven above. Humbly you came to the earth you created, all for love's sake became poor. Ready with your actions? Here I am to worship. Here we go. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Here I am one more time. Here I am to worship. Here I am to bow down. Here I am to say that you're my God. You're altogether lovely, altogether worthy, altogether wonderful to me. Well done, everybody.
That was some great singing. A really wonderful song which celebrates our desire to come to worship God through prayer, through praise and song. Our final song is another favourite song of the children in St John's, and it is Here I Am Lord. Over to you, Tom.
I, the Lord of sea and sky, I have heard my people cry. All who dwell in dark and sin, my hand will save. I who made the stars of night, I will make their darkness bright. Who will bear my light to them? Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. Is it I, Lord? I have heard you calling in the night. I will go, Lord, if you lead me. I will hold your people in my heart. I, the Lord of snow and rain, I, the Lord of snow and rain, I have borne my people's pain. I have wept for love of them. They turn away. I will break their hearts of stone. I will break their hearts of stone. Give them hearts for love alone. I will speak my words to them. Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. Is it I, Lord? I have heard you calling in the night. I will go, Lord, if you lead me. I will hold your people in my heart. I, the Lord of wind and flame, I will send the poor and lame. I, the Lord of wind and flame, I will send the poor and lame. I will set a feast for them. My hand will save. Finest bread I will provide, till their hearts be satisfied. I will give my life to them. Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. Is it I, Lord? I have heard you calling in the night. I will go, Lord, if you lead me. I will hold your people in my heart. Laudate Dominum is Latin for sing praises to the Lord. Omnes gentes means all people. Laudate Dominum, laudate Dominum, omnes gentes, alleluia. Laudate Dominum, laudate Dominum, omnes gentes, and particular prayers and best wishes for our Muslim families and friends at this holy time of Ramadan.
Well done. That was some great singing. And I can't wait until we're together singing as a whole school, as you do in the most beautiful way every Monday morning. So let's pause and reflect and end with a prayer. And let's think about the day, what it holds, the things that we'll do as we fill the hours. Dear Lord, let us take a cup of kindness today. Let us mix it well with love. Help us to add a lot of patience and faith in our God above. Today, let us blend kindness, love, and patience. Let us sift in a generous amount of faith, thereby enabling us to have a no-fail recipe of success for today. Take care, keep safe, and keep singing. Bye.